How to stream 1080p 60 FPS on Discord without Nitro. So hi guys, the first thing that we need to do is to simply paste the link that was provided in the description below here in our browser. Now next, download it and go to the file location. Now in your file location, simply copy that one and go to a file extractor. As for me, I'm using WinRAR. So add it to your file extractor and go to the file location. Now hit on OK, and then afterwards click on the folder and extract. Now hit on OK after extracting, and then just verify, and by then you can have the extracted file. Now let's go to our Discord this time. So in our Discord, all we need to do is to go to our user settings here down below. And once we've clicked on user settings, one thing that we need to do, by the way, is to link our Discord account to Better Discord in order to have this option. So scroll down a bit and look for Better Discord in your options. Now click on plugins. Once you've clicked on plugins, all you need to do is to open plugin folder. So when we go to our plugin folder, simply copy the extracted file and simply paste it to your plugins in the Better Discord. Now the next thing that you can do is to go back to your Discord application, and by then you will see that Nitro Perks is already added to our plugins. Just simply enable this one, after which let's exit from this settings section. Alright. Now once we've clicked on exit, what we need to do is to try this one out to know if we have successfully added this one. So go to your voice channel and let's go to general. So under general, you can actually choose the share screen option. And then go to a shared screen, and in here you can see 1080p and 60 FPS. So that's about it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.